Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer Google Play Games data to Game Center step-by-step guide. So let's get started. First, head over to your Google Play Games. From here, click the three dots at the top right corner, then click Settings. Now here, under Profile and Privacy, you'll be able to see an option called Automatically Sign into Supported Games, and unfortunately, my device doesn't have that option. But if yours does, then all you have to do is enable it, and that's it. You're good to go. Your data from Google Play Games will be transferred to Game Center automatically. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.